akwakote papa wei osesenti.
Yo, Ghana mine adesheman. Ye frem me Kofi Edu. O frem Agya koo abrante. AKA Bidam. Be ma me ho fe na me di ne de. Anase ade mu duro. Sa pepepepepepepepe. Na me ba mo nchen wie ya enye bone kwan so. Sede mo yi odo kese e de ma eku a animanim ya abeda Ghana ekwatifi anafo apie ni atoye fam a yato ne din say the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first no eyeku a yede ba na enche kura betimi aba ye amanukuo atimi aba beboa oman Ghana mrantie ne mabawa na awofo soso omobreso atimi ate free say mrantie ne mabawa ewo ntwetwede epe adwuma ye eye nokre.
Yes, I'm shouting here pa. Yenti Agya koo bi, yenti Agya koo bi.
Yo, Ghana mine adesheman. Ye frem me Kofi Edu. O frem Agya koo abrante. AKA Bidam. Be ma me ho fe na me di ne de. Anase ade mu duro. Sa pepepepepepepe. Na me ba mo nchen wie ya enye bone kwan so. Sede mo yi odo kese e de ma eku a animanim ya abeda Ghana ekwatifi anafo apie ni atoye fam a yato ne din say the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first, the base Ghana first no eyeku a yede ba na enche kura betimi aba ye amanukuo atimi aba beboa oman Ghana mrantie ne mabawa na awofo soso omobreso atimi ate free say mrantie ne mabawa ewo ntwetwede epe adwuma ye eye nokre.
Yes, Miriam Richard, me makwa abapa. Abusia, me de yeto promise ni wi na maye madwene se enka Kennedy Agyapong ne nsensem. Ene ne supporters no, I don't want to give them attention because as a big party like MPP, I don't give a damn about these guys. So now my treatment say I don't want to talk about it anymore because I believe said the be an internal election there. Said the be obia benya ne preference. Obia beka se we na me pese omedi or mine omedi party na nim. We beka se we na pese omedi party na nim. So yeah, it was right. So everybody has his preference. But it has come to a point or in a time I have to say something because the echo so on media no more. It is not right. Yewura Kennedy Agyapong must wake up and try to save his image. Yewura Ken, MPP no be jina akese Kennedy Agyapong. Ne so nem faso anase onye important figure. Ewa MPP party mu bia no sa nipa no di ne ho abro sa nipa no de nunu ne ho na osere. Kennedy Agyapong has played a very big role in the MPP party, and in life whilst you are growing you must go through different things before you can become who actually you want to become. So it is right say Kennedy Agyapong in some part of his life, in some previous part of his life, you know, okay, can sembinom kondoto ne ho in some manner bia sabio or they say anything ewo kwambi so. Na ye nyina so ye say he was doing those things. About 70% of those things he was doing them to save the face of the MPP. So everything that Kennedy did in the past, many of those things, you know, na oyo e dia boa MPP amanyoko say they be betimi keep power. Sansem na okeka ya no na so na ma ubeye nipa bia people fair to say you cannot be a leader of the MPP party. You went for the first round very well. Unya 37%. All of us we were impressed with the numbers here. Ukari ya with the Babon thing. since Kennedy Japan nya 37%, Kennedy allowed himself to surrounded by people omunim their directions, the omunim enisika. So amanfo said the otan kese eba MPP party num, and I'm saying Kennedy Japan and 37%. I didn't tell Yaman Kwanko flag bearer, near Dr. Bomiako flag bearer. For me, statement to be to say, an ignorant statement. One, because semeno akwa kotwaba na mi percentage minya ye edo so sene wo de no a madi nkunim. Moreover, manya more than 50%. And it's a madi nkunim abro so there is no challenge of who won and who should lead. I'm the one that I'm supposed to lead. But some of the bogus Kennedy Japan supporters believe we say, even though Kennedy Japan have 37, we were supposed to let him lead. Omo anti omo ho ase, and 2024, omo sande be peso. Omo de be peso, and ne be ye nim guase buruburu from 37 to 23%. Me yobadi ma. Se osu doku. Na no kwese kuo no ntima wo ye enyuma bi de se wo image in the past. That's a really the na wo ye no na ye odoti trobi na wo so de be ma wo kuo eni ntia na wo ye niema bi no ma. Then why are you refusing to accept regulations, internal laws of your party? This is a question that I'm throwing to Kennedy Japan and his supporters. Chelsea party no edo udo party no nti awoko amanfo no nti awoko na ye kwa akoto aba e de yi usu aba ene unipa foforo e wo party no na party no kire say you don't deserve to lead with a higher margin of difference. Me ma ask yourself, adentia abrayato abawi a Kennedy Japan ene nkrofo mo aka nyina ye de omo vote ka ho omo nuru Dr. Bawumia na still Kennedy Japan ene nkrofo so omo nti ase. What is wrong with you? And look at this Afro Uraway. Agya koo, you had a very good career as a comedian. You are a successful man in comedy. Who now we are one of the people yesterday when we were young. I in concert party. Why I in komo uko nkurasina ukobo comedy. You are a great guy. Who now a lot of people and inspired by you or movie makers, a actors, a comedians and everything. So we congratulate you for that thing. But Massa said the production sector na to me am wow. Agya koo said the fame Ghana for the chair and to me am anso ani. So when to me anyere wo ho amfa the fame Ghana for the ma wanye bibi papa bi ama wo ho a Massa, don't bring yourself into this issue. Kennedy Japan and the MPP. Agya koo, stay far. Papa we pa Agya koo tianto base Agya koo nyanto base. Stay very, very far from MPP Kennedy Japan matter. Because who Agya koo ankasa uti hoi. Wankasa Agya koo uti hoi. There was a time in the country now we are one of the famous guys in the country. No one was famous than you. Akura na ya won en na akura oboni din Agya koo kura onim nipa kura wo ye. Now be a watimianya fame among about 28 million people. When you completely fame from a child born today to the oldest man in the society. When to me and first fame no anya wo hu ye ansesi wo ho. Ene amanyo sem na Agya koo so de na ho bagim amanyo sem na beje na ebe ma na brabo akọ na nim. And Agya koo say achiwade a yenye ene na onu mbom betumi aye na wanya na no ede ne nsa akona no. Agya koo, you are not desperate. Unye desperate. You have had all opportunities in the world. MPP as a party has supported you in many ways. Ghana for Ankasa has used their own money to support you by going to your concert and your comedian shows. Mimi Agya koo, twe wo ho efiri saa man yosem nsem wo yakofa babata wo hu. Say na de wo a why MPP campaign song a producer. One anu adana una meye campaign de ma Dr. Bawumia den. And then they also saying who your base. Base in a ade. Mobo base ana se mobo treble ana se mobo your friend is saying you can't say kurapo bass brand no you know kura machines na use no kura from saying you base where your treble ho na wode ho base in the ade. Agya koo, base any de ade. Baby ekwashi wi ana because me krom base baby eshi wi. Me krom muka say the base baby a boys ye koshia na ye ho fine na niwa na soko na nam krom eno no ka hwia ye se yente minim se sa base ni bi na mo ka dia and you are right. But Agya koo no kura dem fatal because we ni papa panyina. You're supposed to be a role model to a lot of youth in the country. Until untimi nye base ni emane nye ye. Agya koo, second thing, withdraw yourself from this thing before it becomes bigger than you. Well, some of you are destroying yourself. You are showing your true characters. You are making it become difficult for people to get opportunities as you people had it. Because the munya akwenya no na munya fame na nkwase ade na mode ye. Mo mfa nyera de bia ye nkoso. Base ye ne say. Ha? Base ye ne say. Base no ene ne de wo. What the base is baseless. And you're baseless because the reason why you're there to base and say MPP neighbor ako contest so person MPP leader. Ya to aba wanwene walusu anything amoso kote base. One say mo base na ye baseless. Mo base no are baseless. The more you know, it is actually killing the future of the person that you are saying that is your leader. You are just killing the image of the person that you are calling him your leader. And then the image of Agyapong in the MPP has been compromised because of some of your childish things that you guys are doing. And some of the childish conduct MPP mo conduct in the party. Among the image of Agyapong has become something unworthy for the MPP, unhealthy for the MPP, and unacceptable for the MPP. Base mo de kwan. Ehena mo di base ne ko. Say ya na titibrebu no mo ye MPP fo ya. Say ya na mo ye ni brebi a tumi ana ese fata yen ehwere yen e ma ne kodi nkwasiafo bi no mo nsam. And so the same thing. Now wo ye yo amonwi a wo se wo nyo ma no. Why mom na me yo ma wo e ma wo nya sa tumi no. So see ye the tumi ma Dr. Bawumia. He is the potential, or he is the president of the Republic in 2029. Also won tiasie and into wakoti the base. And this also won't say Dr. Bomia be president there. And who is going to stand there for you to become the president? Who? Why? Basic for ana. Enkrofona muti wura muhanana. Enkrofona omonshina ade otibonsu wa hwere sika dodo bi a wohu de onye bi ma afa ne timana. Me ankasa me nwa panyine me papa pa akopɛ. Ai, Mr. Otibonsu. Dear na ha Otibonsu and nti o say na wati the base. Mr. Otibonsu, let me tell you something straight to your head. Tie me yepa. Blackmailing, you can apply it on the MPP this time. So person blackmail the MPP pa. Some person mun use the base na mon fan blackmail MPP. It cannot work. It cannot work because enkrofo mudi wachi omoye mu the base, you know. Mr. Otibonsu, they are spending the rest of the money that you have, but they can never help you to achieve the aim that you want to achieve. And yes, sir, and editna Agya koo. Yen tuma fin ewa busuam yen fam prabontre enko hatana wo enipam emomu. Se problem kra ofia, we solve it at home. We sit down as a mature man. We sit down as people with conscience, with intelligence, human beings, and we find out a solution. We don't go out there to create impression of division, to create an impression say we are going. And so one my way, one promise we name we are. Ye beti ho Otibonsu tell ho. Na wa ankasa nipa na udi na chi no. Mimi ya Monica be mo akwa mama eti say. Enkrofo na omudi wachi no. Enkrofo na omunti wo so wote party na Otibonsu e. Obo ankasa omo constituency kura no. E ka say enkomo ntumi anwene wo ho. Komo ntumi anwene. So who is going to vote for them nationwide? You are just spending the rest of your money for useless and baseless base. Useless and baseless base. Base, you know, and the principle. What is the ideology of the base? I must say, yeah, political part. What is the ideology? MPP bar last 2020 to 2024. One chesika maya ni NTS ye konya kwa kudibiana. Is that the basis of your base? What are the principles? What is the ideology behind the base? What category? What category does the base belong to? Money principle and amunamu the base. What is the base? Mon church you move. Which part do you belong to? Muye left, muye right, muye central right, muye left center, muye wine. Where do you come from? Are you extreme right? Are you extreme left? You don't know nothing about what you're talking about. It will not take us to anywhere. We have a party, FNMPP, or no now build them on Amamwene, Sabio Mokasa, Edru Babi. MPP ne phone a yen yina mo kan. And a man people so na mo binum and namu yesika for. Say ye party MPP anka mo binum nka mudin emerge as the way that they are today. Enti mesramo the base for I se mo se mo kwa akohye wo de mo nkona mo nkɔhye enye problem. Na paasa mo se mo be political party dia munya de mo ye. Time has come. I know said there are conversations going on. Conversations are going on. Doctor is trying to unite the party back. But to be fair, say, the youth, the young ones, ask up you some $1,500 be afamo nsamo amugusu amoye dede no mo be jade amoye no because you are also destroying your political future in the country, especially in the MPP. Because the way I'm outlining them, you are not worthy. You are not people able to me I trust them in future to bring you back into the party, to work together with the party. Kennedy Nebraska, one when you need the obey waye asaboni obesha wasabi. Atemu di obedi amanfo wadi omowie to me a ope wanya to me premier no. 8 years when you to me the aye the ope enya ne ho say tam. Akawo, think about yourself and stop following nonsense. Base in any way. Base, what is the meaning of base? No explanation. Yeah, can say a person papa to your base. Marcus Sampa. Also, my body.
His own and my body. The offender say the only day base. No, aye. Twice when me share airport. Tell a lawyer. Be Johnny the base. I'm saying me. Don't Johnny the treble. The treble in the base. Me show how difficult a lawyer power.
So what? Yeah, party papa be a person, papa be a tea, a penny pubby to say Dr. Bawumia. I'm an abe boab minor teach the man my manner for them to my perfra. Was it by joining base? Also by joining treble. Treble no bebo. Yam to us young queen nam crofu crow who yamahi. Namo pa. A year Jumadin way na Yanko Pamboy na Yanni papa pobet to our bedi a mine and him amaya mine apoyan and to my perfra. And I'm sorry, I'm base. Why? 2029 for Dr. Bawumia. Aye. And that be as Nameka. Since I am President Dr. Bawumia, I'm a president. No, we need a party, a better structure. I bet to me, I hear Jumaden. I'm at the 2 million abayimu. Enti enye Dr. Nkwa. And I no. We need minded men to hold some critical positions in the party. General Secretary, no. Na nti uwo General Secretary titire obi. Na dwene ye adwuma yie pa correct. Na oye efficient. Na adwuma oye otimi yesi ne pia. Nka obetra o masa nkwase base we yakoso. Ma Mr. Keba ni ma me akwaba. Se uwo General Secretary papa would he sit down for this nonsense to go on? And in the imagine some Kasacho said to Abama Yeura Kwabrako Kofu to be your general secretary. Such a man. Onone obi boto you obi bottom no than Sasho. Or yes, obi a friend washa braboasia. He wants to move to where he wants to be to, and people will influence him. He is man of his own. Why am paying? Where the ministerial, where CEO pay? He has done a lot of things in his life in politics. Metrahoma yemfa yensa mehwene hwenem because of sikanti. To Abama kwabena kokofu. Na omedu general secretary. Said that by some fumbi to say we nom enkoso party nom. Now benya nkrofo omu eduru aso mo kan sema upe obeji atum na de ye adwuma. Yentwa so ha na yento aso na yenko yanim kakra na enche ye bibia ba na wie ye.